Hello, welcome to a Brawl modding tutorial. Today we're going to be doing a battle portraits modifying tutorial. And if you don't know what that is, those are those images that go above your percentage of damage when you're actually fighting in a battle. They're extremely low quality, they're extremely small, so easy to edit. Let's get started by downloading the files you need. For this tutorial you'll need common5.pack. If you don't have it, download it from this link. This will be in the description. If you have it already and are using it for different mods, then use the one that you're already using. I already have one, so I'm just going to use it like this. Once you have it open, by downloading it from there or opening it directly from your SD card, you're going to navigate to, it's going to be like this. You'll open up SC cell map _en, and you'll go down to miscellaneous data 40. Open that up and go to textures. Now if you notice there's a lot of textures. That's because every character has five or more battle portraits. So we have Mario, all the way down. We can see this over 250 images. To make this really easy to spot, we're going to just edit Samus, the lime one, I guess. So when you're at the desired battle portrait, you can export it to put it on your desktop, save it, should pop up here. And if what you're doing is you have a already made texture mod and you want it to link up, so if you have, let's say, a Samus that looks like is all black and looks evil, and you want one of the battle portraits to look that way, make sure to use your already made texture for reference when you're designing this new one, as most of these will be a recolor so that it looks good instead of a full-out new creation. Once you've exported this file, open up your preferred file editing software, mine being Photoshop, and open the image that you have just exported. As you can see, it's extremely small. And if you zoom in quite a bit, you can get this. Now what we're going to do is, just to show you that it works, we're going to draw a big X on it in red. So this is just to show you that it's being done. And obviously when you do it, you'll do a recolor. If I really wanted to show you something, I could recolor it myself, but that might be tricky to show you that it's actually recolor and not just what it actually was. So a big X will really illustrate it the best. We have this, and we have this. So once you've done your mod of this and you think it looks pretty cool, file save as, and save it as a .png. Make sure you have same name and you want to replace it. Make sure that's all good. Minimize this, and now we can see here that's got a big X on it. In Brawlbox, right-click Replace, and replace with your new image. Make sure it lines up. Width 32, height 32, perfect. Everything's good. Make sure it's right. Okay. And it should be cool. If you notice, the quality went way down when we put it in, and that's because we added red. And if you've watched the other texture editing tutorials, you'll know that each texture has a limit to number of different colors. So by adding that red, what we actually did was remove some of the green and actually remove, if you can see, some of the red shades. So it looks like a really harsh red on a really harsh green. This is so that it won't corrupt, not corrupt, it won't freeze in the game. It's a great feature, and don't be surprised if the mod you make looks a little bit degraded, especially since the picture will be so small in-game. It will work fine. File save as, once you've edited everything you want, make sure you're getting rid of the _en, and save it to your desktop. It should compress. There's a lot of textures in this file. Once you've done this, you can minimize this, and open up your SD card. Now you're going to navigate through your SD card by going Wii, App, RSVE, PF, System, If you notice, in this I already have a common 5. So what I'm going to do is rename this to common 5 original, or mine, or whatever, and copy it to your desktop so that you have a copy. Then copy your new file in there. It's 11.4 megabytes, so it's kind of a large file. Delete the original from the SD card, and now it's in the right spot, looks fine, and everything's great to go. Slide the SD card into your Wii, and it should work fine. Another thing of note, please visit my blog and vote on the next tutorial. I've been really busy, that's why this one took so long. The contest should be evaluated soon, and those videos should be up. Thanks so much for the support. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and continue to watch my videos. Thanks a lot. Bye.